If experienced leaders are ready to run the nation, then why every vision is stuck on the youth? Have you ever thought? No. Greeting to one and all present here. Nidhi Prasad this side, a proud My Bharat volunteer from Ramgarh. Today, when we discuss union budget, we are not merely discussing the number. We are discussing the future of those 65% young Indians who are ready to sacrifice their life, their dreams to build a Viksit Bharat. But let us be very honest. The journey of every Indian who is sitting in front is not safe. Have you ever thought what happened when a talented graduate has a degree in her hand but no job? Have you ever thought what happened when creative young minds have ideas but no opportunity, no resources, and no guidance? Have you ever thought when a brilliant girl from a village carries dreams and an eyes but no safe place to study? Sir, this is the problem we the youth faces today. And our budget says a very clear statement to the youth, you are the solution. And the budget proves it. You know how? By preparing India youth not only to compete locally, but to lead globally. India is no longer known for the land of a doctor or engineer. India is also known for the land of storyteller, animator, creator, cricketer, etc. 15,000 schools, 500 colleges having AVGC lab. You know what does it mean? It means that next global star could come from a very small town of Ramgarh, Jharkhand, just like me. A nation can't rise unless in half of the population had to hold its dream in her hand. A nation develops fully only when her opportunity is being equally divided to the girl and a boy. So that no girl child has to sacrifice a dream that she carried in her eyes due to safety or a distant concern. For that reason, government allotted to build a girl hostel PG in every district so that equal opportunities to be built. After investing 12.2 lakh crore in infrastructure, our India proves one truth very successfully that जब होगा हमारा युवा शिक्षित तभी बनेगा हमारा भारत विकसित. Now, our generation is stepping into the fourth industrial revolution. It shows that by help of Intelligence Excellence Center and Semiconductor Mission. You know what does it show? It shows that India is no longer the nation where job seekers are born. India become the nation where job creators are born. Today, I stand here not just as a participant in the discussion. I stand here as a proud representative of my generation. Yes, the Gen Z generation that yes, we are ready to lead, ready to create, ready to innovate, and ready to transform my Bharat the way our history creator has dreamed of. उठो जागो नौजवानों अब आई तुम्हारी भारी है भारत को सोने की चिड़िया फिर से कहलाना है ना ये तुम्हारी ही जिम्मेदारी है ये तुम्हारी ही जिम्मेदारी है धन्यवाद